how to get into Team Unity.
To join as a creative warrior, you need to be good overall with your mechanics. You need to post videos consistently, have good editing, and good clips. And you must use the hashtag UnityCW. It'll be shown on the screen.
To join as a content creator, you must post videos at least every 2.5 weeks. You must post videos that have good content and people would like watching. And your videos must at least be 7 minutes long. And don't forget to use the hashtag UnityCC in the title of your submission video.
To join Team Unity as a streamer, you must post streams at least every 3 days. Your streams must be quality and you must average 10 views a stream. And you have to use the hashtag UnityST. If you want to join Team Unity as a trickshotter, you must post trickshot montages at least every 3 weeks. And they must be good trick shots. And we do not like seeing creative trick shots, so please put them in pubs. And use hashtag UnityTS.
And for any others, if you use, for example, video editing, use hashtag UnityOT. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you guys have an amazing day.